So I'm gonna just jump right into this because I'm not a beauty guru, but I'm still gonna do a makeup tutorial. So no one asked for this, but I'm gonna give it to you anyway. Serving face, serving cheek, serving ugly bitch. Happy New Year though. So this tutorial is gonna be how to catfish, how to turn from this into whatever next insert clip here. If you hear shit, it's my dog. Her name is Duchess. I love her very much. Duchess. She a bad bitch. So, in case you didn't know already. Fuck off my table. By the way, shout out to my coworker. Got me these bitches. They hit hard. Okay, time to start. First, you're gonna use your brother's baby wipes because you know you can't fucking afford a makeup wipe to wipe your face. And then you're gonna use the Mario Badescu spray. But yeah, you're gonna throw the fuck at your dog and it spritz your face. Ooh, that shit was kind of strong. You're gonna rub the fuck out of your face. Who cares about rosacea? What's acne? Don't know her. Then you use the Pods lotion. You're gonna put it all over your face and you're just gonna kind of rub it in. Not really fucking crazy. It's kind of basic. You're gonna spritz your face again. I usually use a moisturizer, but I think it's probably a toner. It's kind of harsh, to be honest. And then we're going to use my broke ass, dumbass, probably stole this fucking primer. And you're going to, yeah, and you're going to rub that all over your face. And just don't really care where to put it, just put it everywhere. And then you're going to struggle to find your one expensive ass fucking eyebrow brush. And then you're going to find it and pray. Anyway, then we're going to use our hip pan eyebrow shit from Anastasia, and you're gonna draw the fuck out your eyebrows. Yeah, it looks like shit, but at least you have one eyebrow that looks semi-decent. I made this bitch really thick, goddamn. Yeah, and they ended up looking like trash because I used the wrong setting, not fucking setting spray, what was it called? Fucking setting powder. Sitting on your doorstep. Next, you're going to take your foundation from Anastasia. Oh shit, it looks even worse on camera, goddamn. You're going to look at it and realize it's not your shade. What? And then you're going to say fuck it, because hopefully your powder is going to make it better. Anyway, carve out them bitches. Yeah, I know they look like trash, but I don't know, just something went wrong when I was doing it in front of the camera. I guess I got nervous or something, and it wasn't my shade. Wow, I actually look like a toad. Anyway, so just keep trying to fix it. Hopefully the powder later fixes it. Now grab the shape tape. Now I usually draw my eyebrows straight because same. Bitch. Anyway, so you're gonna try and fit your face with, you know, this wrong color that you decided to grab. So I don't feel like going back to the store and getting the right color. When I end up blending it out and putting powder and shit, you can't really tell, but right now it looks like I'm putting peanut butter in. It looks like I'm putting peanut butter in my face. Not quite my intention, but I'm stupid. Also, didn't wipe off my powder. I'm an A1 beauty guru. This is why I get paid the big bucks. Wow. Okay. Anyway, you're gonna try and blend all this shit out. It really does look like peanut butter. And my forehead is still ass. Anyway, you see my eyebrows don't look completely like trash. Once I put powder over them, they kind of like gray out. And then you're gonna hug your pumpy for emotional support. Also, extremely allergic to her. So if you see like red on me at all, I'm just like having, you know, bumps and shit. Not gonna stop her fucking bark. Kind of like spook the shit out of me. She doesn't bark a lot. I know my dog looks like a rat, but I still love her, okay? Y'all out here with boyfriends that look like actual toads and you expect me to feel bad because my dog is ugly. Don't come for me, bro. Anyway, just keep blending that shit out and trying to fix it. I'm fully aware my foundation is my color. Anyway, this is the right one. That was the wrong one. I like that they did a darker color. I always think I'm darker than what I actually am, so it's whatever though. And then when you actually put your powder on your face, you know, beat the fuck out of your face and actually put powder in. Yeah, not my favorite step because I always fuck up because I get really dry. But put it on your smile lines too. But who smiles anyway? But yeah, when you're laughing at yourself because you're actually stupid, I guess. Beat the fuck out your forehead. And then, oh, I'm ghostly. Well, it's fine. Anyway, spray your face. Again, I am almost out of this, even though I got it last Friday or some shit. Try and fix your eyebrows. You see, it did nothing. Anyway, so I got this Morphe shit for Christmas, and just, I don't know. I don't like using gray tones unless it's like in the inner part of my contour, just because I feel like it makes my face look weird. So I like warming up my face, I guess. You can use my Morphe code FATHEAD for 14% off. Yeah, no, I feel like I'll never get affiliated. Anyway, steal drag makeup and just try and cut off? No. Try and cut your, whatever the fuck that is, your cheek. And you use your Tarte that's actually 4 years old, and then you're going to use the gray tone and try and add more definition.
10 toes, we was out in that road,
I actually was a badass and went to the fucking OTR concert for Beyonce and Jay-Z, and I was smacking that song all day. Now for the actual makeup, I put like a coral color. It's by Maybelline. I actually don't know the name of it, but I put on my nose, like a lot on my nose, because I just like that am I sick, am I actually just ugly look. And I spritz my face again to set it in, and then I grab my Too Faced highlighter. I don't remember the name of it, but it's just basically a gold highlighter. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty one. And then you can spritz your face if you want it to be like extra. If you put way too fucking much like I did, just grab that same beauty blender, you put your freaking powder on, and just dab away and hope for the best. I don't know what I'm talking about though, so it probably won't work, so good luck. But then you're just going to put some on your nose, and then some on your lip, and you're just going to wipe off that foundation lip, nasty ass, and you're going to put some Carmex. And then, you know, if you have a top lip, you're going to put some gloss. If you don't, can't relate. And you're going to pose a little bit, pretend like you're cute. And, you know, pretend like you're done with the makeup, and in reality, so shit you gotta do. Just fucking forgot you have to put eyelashes on. I really almost ripped my eyelashes off. Anyway, you're gonna put some mascara. This is the Better Than Sex one, and I got the travel size because I'm broke as fuck. But it's fine. I was trying to get on the base of my eye, but that shit was hurting really bad. Like, that shit hurted. And then put your contacts in, because you really can't catfish if you have brown eyes. It just doesn't work. Now this shit right here, that shit, ugh, it was hurting the fuck out of my eye. I was trying to snunt for the camera though. I kept trying to take it out, but then shit like this happens. And then I ended up getting it in, which is fine. This is like green hazel for my eyes, which I like, so I feel like I'm in an olive tone. Anyway, this is Mimi Artistry Lashes on Instagram. I like it, but I feel like their lash, they changed it and switched up on me, because I feel like it used to be thicker, but, you know, whatever, I just ordered it, came in that day. This is some random black glue from the dollar store. Not the fucking dollar store. What is it called? Jewel? I don't know. Anyway, I just used any random one. Some tweezers. That was actually for a splinter that I got from work. I couldn't find my tweezers, so I just use it as tweezers now. You apply that shit. Ooh, she's kind of cute. Okay. And you're gonna watch me have the most fucking difficulty putting my other eyelash in because, like I said, they tripped up, and I thought it was like, I used to buy their lashes all the time. It used to be like a really thick band. So it's really thin, and it kept pointing the inside of my eye. It's fucking painful. And I like the more like separated look for my lashes. It's fine though, just keep on trucking. Trucking? There she hurted. So it's the final look, my hair down, I have to get it dyed again. But if you enjoyed this, subscribe, follow my shit. Okay, love you, bye.